Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Ty here, and in today's video, I'm going to be reacting to another YouTube poop, another Thomas one. Now, considering the last one did pretty well, and I mean pretty well, I decided to do another one and see if this one would do pretty good, which, if it does, then, I will continue to do these. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. And I'm pretty sure the other one I did the reaction on is by the same person, Waltman13, I think. I don't know. I'll have to check. But still, credit to them. I don't own this video or any ownership and stuff like that. Anyway, enough of me talking. Let's get on with this reaction, shall we, guys? Okay. Much better. Okay, that's trippy.
Thomas the Talk Engine is very important, which made Annie and Clarabelle disagree with him. When Thomas puffed along his important branch, he always looked forward to his branch to. As he rumbled over the bridge, he would say, "Oh, when Thomas starts from a station, he sings, "I've been lost in my own place, and I'm getting weary. How far is hell?" One day they had to wait for fish and chips, which made Thomas very cross.
Fish and chip? What? Fish and... okay.
This, said Thomas, I'm thirsty. How can I run properly if Henry always whistles on my important branch? Bones. My system is out of order. Out of order? Rubbish, said Thomas. You're too fat. You're too slow. You need exercise. I'm going to drink some water from the river. Whoosh! Well, this sucks.
Well, this sucks.
I've lost my nice guard. 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 Shut up. Just shut up with it. Then the driver let the whole bucket down to the water. The bucket was old and had several holes. That's good, puffed Thomas. I've lost my nice guard. I've lost my nice guard, she sobbed. Annie tried to tell Thomas she lost guard. Clarabelle. Thomas began to feel his boiler. Oh dear, groaned Thomas. I'm going to burst. I'm going to... I've lost my nice guard, sobbed Clarabelle. What do you mean? I've lost my nice guard. Left him behind. Oh, watch your profanity. He was very hot. He had a drink. Look, the signal is down. We can go. They damped down his fire and struggled on. I got diarrhea.
What?
Thomas was still hissing. The inspector and the controller arrived. I'll just look in the tanks. He clambered up, looked in, and nearly fell off in surprise. Excuse me, sir. Please look in the tank. Certainly, Inspector, replied the fat controller. Can you see fish? How did the fish get there, driver? I have no idea. They had a lovely picnic supper of chips. That was good, said the fat controller. Hey, I want chips too. No, what chips? Don't suit you, Thomas. You mustn't do it again. Bother.
Okay then. So there's that. Oh. Okay, guys. I think I'll find one more to watch because this one was only 3 minutes. So I will be right back. Alrighty, guys. I found another one, and this one might get me demonetized, but we will have to see. Oh boy.
Tom the tank engine had been working in the coal yards all day. The little blue engine was covered in coal. "We can't clean you up tonight, Thomas," said his driver. "There's a problem with the hose." "Bother," said Thomas. "A bath would make me feel much better. The others are sure to say I look shitty." "Watch your mouth, Thomas," said his driver. "Sorry, driver," said Thomas. But the engines were too busy arguing to notice Thomas. "James was talking dirty balls," said James. Huffed Henry. "What was that?" "I can't understand you, Henry," said James. "It's been like this all day," confided Percy to Thomas. "James is getting high on coke and won't stop boasting about it." "Why, James? I'm the one who needs coke. Look at me." "I'd rather not," retorted James. "You're already covered in coke and wouldn't understand the needs of a really, really sexy engine."
What?
Thomas was James. Next morning, as James was being repainted, Henry had a sex accident. "If you can't fuck cars properly, Henry, why not fuck a tree instead? You know how much you like the forest." "As a matter of fact, saucy boiler, Sir Topham he's really had," laughed James. "If I came on a tree, I'd just push it up my ass." Soon James was showing off his large cock. "Make way for a sexy engine." "You wouldn't feel sexy if one of those trees crashed on you. You'd feel the tree."
Oh my god.
James. Engines can be just as powerful as trees. Oh, please. But James was wrong. "You must go to the yards and collect an important goods train, JJ," said Sir Topham Hatt. "But, sir, I've just been repainted. Can't Thomas or Percy do it? They're dirty and like working their digs." "Really useful engines don't argue." So James did. "Sir, Thomas or Percy can't do it. Percy's dirty." "Don't call me dirty." "Really useful engines don't." "Sir, so. I'm heavy." Soon they came to Hank Hill, and his driver knew they were in for a difficult time. An old tree close to the track was being blown by Henry, and the rain had weakened the slope. All of a sudden, the tree moved. "What's up, James?" said the tree. "What the fuck?" cried James. "You can't talk." "Yes, the tree said, go away." "But I can't." Then he heard a whistle. "It's Thomas," called his driver. James felt embarrassed and worried that Thomas would laugh at him, but Thomas didn't. He knew this was time for teasing. "James, you slam or shift," said Thomas. "Oh, you high?" "Actually, yes," said James. "I'm going to crash on you," said the tree. "Come back in a little bit." "I'll be back," said the tree. Later, James spoke to James. "Thank you for rescuing me, Thomas." Oh, just then, Edward was at bus.
So what?
"Sir Topham Hatt thinks you're both stupid engines. James, you're going to have cocaine. And James, Sir Topham Hatt says that you'll never pull the express." Again, everyone was very high.
Wait, what? There were what? Oh. Oh god, I'm choking. Oh. Okay then. Oh. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for me. Oh boy. That's gonna be it for me, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you leave a like on the video, subscribe, turn on notifications so you're never missing a video, and comment down below.